If you are a marketer, what and all the important concept you have to be well familiar with the marketing, that is which is related to core concept. Okay, whenever you are introducing a new product for the market, when acceptability is not there, the customer is not ready to accept, identify any 5 product that failed in the market and identify the causes for failure of each of the product. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all to the introductory section, Principles of Marketing, first semester BCom. So myself Natesh, lecturer in Commerce, Vidhyaashram, first grade college, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in this introductory section, I'm going to do a brief on this unit wise and the syllabus part and internal assessment test, even the question paper pattern. Okay, and the skill development topic and which are the textbook you have to refer. So moving forward, so here the newly introduced as per the new education policy BCom degree, in this unit, in this principles of marketing, we going to study for the detail in unit 1 introductions to marketing, unit 2 is product related, and unit 3 price and promotions, and unit 4 place in the marketing mix, and last unit is consumer behavior. So the total which is called for discipline specific course first semester BCom, 5 units will be there for first semester. And introductions to marketing, what exactly under unit 1, what topic we can expect here. The first one, introductions to marketing, meaning and definition of market. We need to know what is marketing. Market is a right platform where the buyer and seller meet together, exchange goods in between buyer and seller. So the market, we can classify it to different types of market. And the meaning of marketing, what is exactly marketing. So if you try to take an example for traditional marketing, they are trying to focus on only for sales. But in the modern marketing, so now as a marketer, as a business, they want to satisfy the consumer's needs based on the satisfactions. Okay, so the marketing, modern marketing, we will explain. The core marketing concept means what? So if you are a marketer, what and all the important concept you have to be well familiar with the marketing, that is which is related to core concept. Okay, and marketing mix, majorly marketing mix, we can classify the 4 P's. Okay, product, and place is 1 P, and promotion, last one is product, place, price. Now last one P, price. There are 4 P's is there in the marketing under physical product, 4 P's. Marketing environmental, as a marketer you need to study well familiar with the marketing environmental, because environmental we classified into 2 categories. One is internal and external. Internal we have a complete freedom to control, but external we are not able to control because which is lying in the outside of the business. So the functions of marketing are very important functions, the physical distribution functions and the supporting functions. Okay, and distributions, how the marketing functions will be going in the details when we are doing for the unit 1 in the section. So completely we will cover here details. Here the physical product will be, I told you there are 4 P's are physical product, the 7 P's are which is applicable for the service. Okay, so what are the other 3 P's are first P is process, one more is people, and the last one physical evidence under service marketing. There are 7 P's you have to study perfectly. And online marketing, because there is a latest trend for online marketing, as the marketers they are getting a platform like online marketing, and relationship between technology, how it is technology supporting for the consumer point of view as well as business point of view. So, and globalization, because we are trying to extend our market using a concept like globalization. And the social responsibility, as a businessman they are trying to take a responsibility towards the society. So obviously the government of India made a clear instruction for the corporate world, social responsibility. As a corporate they want to take the responsibility towards the society. And online marketing, it's very familiar with online marketing, how it is you can extend your market, how we are providing a lot of information. okay, and the customers also getting a benefit from the online marketing, even the business also they are trying to increase the sales moving forward for the next unit. And the second unit there is related to product, because when we are talking related to marketing mix, there are 4 P's. So the first P will be product. If the product is physically appearance, we can feel, we can touch, we can get, okay, that is a physical product. And the meaning of the product, what exactly meaning, you will be well familiar with the meanings and in this chapter. And the product plan is not only one time, you need to plan again and again based on the customer requirement preference, okay. So as a marketer, they want to go for well familiar the product plan. And diffusion means what, it is nothing like spreading the message. Once your product is ready, you have to spread the message very fastly so that the customers are getting benefits. That's what. So adaptation, the consumer, how they are adapting the when it is innovation product, innovative product, creative product are introduced in the market, innovation. And the new product idea, how the new product will be developing based on the internal source, external source. So there are set of people are developing the product, a new product, what kind of product they are producing. And the stages of product life, so there are different stage will be covering in this unit. And the development, the causes for failure of a new product, whenever you are introducing a new product for the market, when acceptability is not there, the customer is not ready to accept, so because of many reasons the product will be failing. So, and product life cycle, because how human beings having a life cycle, the same thing the product also having a life cycle. So which is starting from the development, the product is developed, now slowly the product life cycles will be looking like this. And you are introducing for the first time in the market, and slowly you start capturing a market share. And once you are expecting a majority sales, then which is called for maturity, then whenever your sales is declining, which is coming under the decline or decrease, so you can extend, that is called expansion. This is the life cycles we will completely cover in depth in the unit 2. Okay, now, and the same thing, each and every 4 P's what we studied, so we will make the marketing strategy according to the companies. And moving forward for third unit, we are say price and promotion, because there are 4 P's. One product is already second unit, and the price and promotion is marketing mix. It's very important. You need to know what exactly the meaning. And pricing strategy, what kind of pricing strategy, how you are fixing, either skimming strategy or penetration strategy, which company are adapting, which is kind of strategy. So, and the type of pricing strategy we will discuss in this unit. And the promotion, how you are promoting your product, how you are creating awareness more and more for the product, and meaning, even the meaning and role of the promotions. The type of promotion, what kind of promotional tools are adapting for company to increase the sales, the personal selling, the personally salespersons are going and explaining much better. So the customers also getting an immediate clarification because of personal selling, which is more effective. And advertising, even the print media, I can go for magazine, newspaper, okay, different advertising channels will be there. And publicity, how we are creating publicity for the product. And sales promotion, how we are promoting a related using a sales promotion strategy. And element of promotional mix, what kind of elements we are able to find out here. So this is also we will discuss in the unit 3. And the last one, factor affecting the promotional mix. There are a number of factors will be directly affecting to your promotional when you are doing a promotion. So the factors. Moving forward for 4th unit, in this 4th unit, so marketing mix, last unit's P element is nothing but a price. The price in the marketing mix, how it is very important. Okay, when you are selecting a right place to launch your product, okay, the channel of distribution, which is quite similar to the place. So the channel of distribution, how you are selecting, what kind of channel of distributions you are selecting. Either you are going for zero channel, the producer directly cannot sell the goods to the end consumer, so that you are selecting a number of mediators like wholesaler we are taking, and a retailer we are taking. Why we are using a distribution mediator? So it is a flow of the product from the producer point to end consumers. And here the type of distribution channel I told you just now: producer, 0 channel, 2 channel, 1 channel distribution. So we will cover in this in details in the 4th unit. The selection of type of channel, what kind of distribution channel we are selecting. Okay, retail, they are purchasing a small quantity from the wholesaler. And the nature and importance: non-store retail, they are not storing the materials with the use of, or they are not storing the goods product, okay, which is non-store retailing, which is not in the constant place. And wholesaling and physical distribution, how the wholesaler will be going, they are purchasing a bulk quantity from the producer, okay, with the intention for resale for the retailer. And the physical distribution. So in this physical distribution, we will cover here nature and importance of wholesaling and physical distribution. So this was almost all the informations we will cover in the unit 4. And of course, the last unit is consumer behavior, how the consumers, how they are behaving because of their tradition, their customs, how behavior will influence for the product, the company business. Okay, so obviously the product consumer behavior is very important. Okay, so we need to know the meaning of meaning and features, the scope and importance. There are different models are introduced for the consumer behavior. So in details we will discuss in this unit. Okay, and the consumer reference group, how they are referring, how consumers are referring a product for individual companies or different service. Okay, how we are getting as a businessman, how we are getting a benefit. And their types and the consumer behavior in online marketing also, their behavior will be keep on change because of attitude. There are different factors for influencing for the behavior. So, and of course we need to know the the paper principles of marketing paper is set for 100. So here we majorly classified into 40% for internal and 60% for external. External means end semester examination. So this 40% again we are splitting into 2 parts. So continuous internal evaluations, the first part is continuous and comprehensive evaluation, so which is related to skill development. And even the institutions are conducting a 2 internal assessment test. So each test will be 30 marks test, but it is slightly scaled down to 10 marks. Now the continuous and comprehensive evaluation, the total mark is assigned for 20, and internal assessment we are trying to conduct for 2 internals. So each internals will be 30 marks. Now total, now 30 will be scaled down to 10. Now 10 plus 10 you are able to get to 20. Now total is 40% for the internal. Okay, at the end of the semester you are writing the end semester examination, the paper is set for 60 marks. The total is 40 plus 60, the total paper is set for 100 marks. Moving forward for the skill development, see here the continuous and comprehensive evaluation, how we are doing. So just for skill development, there are a few topics are given here. See name of any 5 FMCG company. We will get to detail information related to FMCG. FMCG means what, I will explain. So name of any FMCG, 5 FMCG company, okay, in India, and identify the pricing strategy, because each and every company they are using a strategy based on their marketing mix. So obviously we need to study. So select any 5 firms in the automobile industry. This is also a hot topic for the doing a skill development recording. And identify the promotional method used by each of the firm. So definitely you are well familiar how the different strategy promotions, how you are doing, okay, how they are promoting their product. And the third topic is identify any 5 product that failed in the market, and identify the causes for failure of each of the product, because you need to identify which product is failed. So okay, there are different reasons for failing a product. So select fourth topic will be select any 5 product and identify the various channel of the distribution used in the each of them, because different product they are using a different distribution channel. And I last topic is identify a product in the growth stage and write about 4 P's of marketing in it. So there here this is a topic, 5 topics are for especially for the skill development. So you have to write in the record. Now, so obviously you need to familiar how you need to know the internal question paper pattern, how it is set. See, I told you there are the paper is the total papers mark is 100. Now 100 internal assessment 40%. So 40% means, so there are two components. One is 20 marks and 20 marks. 20 marks per continuous evaluation and in 20 marks per internal assessment. So the internal assessment so will be carry maximum 20% of weightage. If you take 20, how we are getting 20? So because each test will be conducted for 30, it is scaled down to 10. 10 plus 10, 20 you are able to get in the internal assessment. Okay, so there are 2 tests are conducted. Each test will be marking for 30, but it is scaled down to 10. Moving forward, so it is just for pattern, question paper pattern for internal assessment test. So the duration is just for 1 hour. There are 3 parts. The part A, so you have to see the marks is assigned for 5 marks. So you have to answer any one. Okay, so out of 2 questions. So now part B, there are 10 marks is assigned. Okay, now you have to answer any one. Now 10 plus 5, 15. Now last part C is one question you have to attend. So the mark is assigned for 15. 15 plus 10 plus 5, the total paper is 30 marks. And at the end of the semester, as a student, you have to write end of the semester examination. The semester examination question paper is as a mark is assigned for 60 marks. Okay. There are different patterns are there. Okay. So here the part A, there are you have to answer 5 questions. Each questions will be carried for 2 marks. Okay, 2 into 5, 10. Part B, you have to answer only 2 questions. There are 4 questions will be given. The mark is assigned for 10 marks. Now, so 2 into 10, 20 marks. Now part C is actually you have to answer any 2 questions. Okay, there are 4 questions will be given. The mark is assigned for 15 marks. 15 into 2, 30. Now total overall you are getting total marks paper is set for external question paper 60. Moving forward, so the pass percentage, obviously that 35% from the 60 mark means you are able to get the 20 marks here. So the aggregated value, if you are taking all external value will be 35%. 60 into 35%, if you calculate, you are able to get to 21, which is a passing mark. And what are the textbook you have to refer? There are a few textbooks have specified here. The Principles of Marketing, okay, and Philip Kotler is the father of marketing. Okay, so that's what you can refer this first book. And the Principles of Marketing, Robert you can refer, or Brajendra you can refer. Last the third textbook is the Principles of Marketing, Charles you can refer. Okay, this is just for extra knowledge you are referring this textbook. Okay, we are providing notes. And fourth textbook will be Principles of Marketing, Dr. Amit Kumar you can refer. Okay, and last textbook which is prescribed by the University of Mysuru. So Marketing, Gravel and Levy you can refer this textbook. Okay, keep on watch for next section. Thank you.